Welcome back, everyone. Today we're making the Raspberry Reverie. We're going to start off with 2 dashes of grapefruit bitters. Shoo bug. 0.75 ounces of fresh squeezed lemon juice. Got itchies on my nose. Sorry. 0.5 ounces of raspberry puree or raspberry syrup. Mine's more of a puree. Vacate. Sorry, I got problems over here. I know. 0.25 ounces of Elderflower Liqueur. Sorry, I'm getting to like the end of my bottle here. Wait, no. 0.25 ounces of black currant liqueur or Creme de cassis. You'll see it more so, it's Creme de cassis than anything. 0.5 ounces of dry vermouth. Don't spill. 1.5 ounces. I'm not sure what my kid's doing. It's very entertaining though. 1.5 ounces of Pisco. All right, and now that we have all of the ingredients in there, we are going to add ice to our shaker tin. Sounds like we have a werewolf in the living room.
What do we do?
It's daytime.
He gets your hair.
Huh?
He has your hair.
Anyway, we're gonna shake for about 10 to 15 seconds or until it's ice cold in your hand. Sir? Shoo.
He's loving your cocktail.
I know. Rude little bug.
Not for you, bug.
Not for you. Okay. We are going to double strain into our coupe glass. Ooh, chihuahua. Yummy, yummy.
Tasty.
And then for our garnish, we have a lemon wheel that's wrapped around a raspberry.
There it is.
Et voila. And there we have our Raspberry Reverie. As always, I am going to taste the cocktail. I'm going to give you my honest opinion. I'm also going to rate it. 1, I would have 1 cocktail and move on. 5, I would drink this all night and hate myself in the morning. Sorry, I gotta sneeze again. Okay, I'm gonna get poked.
Don't sneeze while drinking the cocktail.
Achoo.
This is not a splash zone.
Ooh, interesting. Okay, I know there's a lot of things happening in this cocktail. So to start off for the flavor, you definitely get hit right at the forefront with the raspberry puree, which is very light. It's not very sweet. But then it goes into, I can actually taste the creme de cassis, the black currant, with a hint of the elderflower. It's quite nice, actually. It is very fruity, which some people can deceive as overly sweet, but it's really not. The dry vermouth definitely kind of tones it back. It's really bright thanks to the lemon juice. This is a very nice cocktail. I really enjoy this one. This one's gonna be a 5 out of 5 for me. It is very easy to drink, not overly sweet. 5 out of 5. Yummy, yummy. But of course, my opinions only go so far. So what needs to happen is you need to make it at home, which is why the ingredients are listed down below. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what your thoughts are and if the Raspberry Reverie is making it into your cocktail boudoir. Hey, don't start with me. Anyway, I will see you all at, no sir, I will see you all at the next pour. Cheers.